Welcome to the PSU Greek Life application. This application works on your iOS device. What it does, it tells you core locations of fraternities and sororities located at the Penn State campus. Here we are. This is the PSU Greek Life application prototype. After you've loaded the Greek Life app onto your iPhone or iOS device via the Apple Store, this is the default page you will be brought to. This is the list view, which lists all the fraternities and sororities in alphabetical order in scrollable list view. So from the list view, what else you can do is you can click Add to Favorites. And when you click Add to Favorites, for example, under the Alpha Gamma row, it would show up in your favorites list. You can also click Get Location. This will capture the core location of Alpha Gamma row and show up in Google Maps, and it would show the directions and the destination of which you need to travel. So one of the main features I wanted to include in the PSU Greek Life application is the ability to capture someone's identity. On YouTube and other programs and applications, it shows someone's username and which identifies that particular user. So instead of having a login required, we can create a profile. So from here, the user would just enter their first name and last name, association, which would usually include whether they're associated with a type of fraternity or sorority, their address. None of these fields are required too, so they can still remain anonymous if they wanted to remain anonymous. They can also add a photo. Once they're done adding whatever particular field they would like to familiarize other users with, they can click Submit. After the user has entered their profile information in, they can proceed with enjoying the rest of the app. Also, I'd like it to be known that the user can only enter in whatever they like. If they choose to just enter their first name in, that's fine. There's no required field. You don't have to enter in anything that you don't want to disclose to the public. One thing that was important to create in the PSU Greek Life application is the ability to add favorites. As I previously talked about, from the list view, you can add each Greek Life entity to your favorites list. Now, I just added 2 Greek Life entities to my favorites list, so let's check them out. From here it shows the 2 Greek Life entities that I added to my favorites list. You can remove the favorite, say you no longer want that as your favorite, you can just click this button and remove it as your favorites list. You can still capture a location from this user interface, or you can go on and write comments of each entity. And how you write a comment is you select the actual image. From the favorites list, if you'd like to check out the form, for instance Sigma Pi, this may seem a little ambiguous at first, but hopefully the actual true application will be a little more polished than this prototype. But if I want to check out the form for Sigma Pi, I just click the actual image. This brings up the forum. As you can see, there's 0 posts and 0 off-topic posts. But as new users download the application, more and more topics will be revealed and forums will get updated. Now, if the user doesn't want to use their current location, they can enter any location they want. For instance, I'm going to type in a location off of South Allen in State College. Now this shows the directions in turn by turn. Head northwest on South Allen all the way to your destination. If the user does not want to use turn by turn directions, they can click the map view. From here, it shows the entire map and an easy way to read where their destination lies. Well, I hope you enjoyed the PSU Greek Life Prototype. In conclusion, it shows a list view, which titles all the Greek life entities in the State College area. It shows a Favorites tab, which allows for quick selection. It shows a core location, in case you want to find that particular destination. In my favorite feature, it allows a forum generated on each entity. This allows for Greek life philanthropy.